Welcome to HackerHip. In this tutorial, we will look into Java HashMap, its properties, and different Java HashMap methods. Before we start, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that thumbs up button. So what is a Java HashMap? Java HashMap class implements map interface which is used for storing key value pairs. So Java HashMap is represented with a key and a value, and these keys are unique, and the key and the value can be of different data types. HashMap works on the principle of hashing. Hashing is a way to assign unique code to variable and values. So let's look into different properties of HashMap. HashMap cannot contain duplicate keys. HashMap is unordered collection. So when you insert values into HashMap, they are not ordered. HashMap allows null values and null keys. So basically, you can give a null value as a key and null value as a value in the HashMap in the key value combination. And HashMap is not thread safe. What does that mean? That means multiple threads can use the HashMap at the same time, and it's not thread safe. In order to do your HashMap thread safe, we need to define the HashMap using synchronization function. So let's see different types of methods provided by HashMap. These are the different types of methods provided by HashMap. The first one is a put with key and value, which adds value into the HashMap. Remove removes the value with key k. GetOff k gets the value from the k. Clear clears the whole HashMap. Size, like it says, return the size of the HashMap. The contains key checks if the given key is present in the HashMap or not. The contains value checks if the value is present or not. The isEmpty checks if the HashMap is empty or not. It returns a Boolean value. So let's jump back and we will see how HashMap works in code. So I'm here on my Spring toolsuit. Let's go ahead and create a class. So I will name the class as HashMap demo. I'll write the main method. You can define HashMap using multiple methods. We will look into two different methods, one using the map interface and one using the HashMap class itself. So I'll go ahead and create two maps, map1 and map2. HashMap is imported from the utils package. It's a part of the collections framework. So this is one way to define a HashMap. The other way is to implement the map interface. Anyway, HashMap is an implementation of a map interface. If you go to the HashMap class, HashMap extends the abstract map and implements the map interface. We can also create HashMap by using the map interface. The way to do it is almost the same. We will have the map2 is equal to new HashMap of, and we have to define the data types. We need to import the map interface from utils package, and we also have to define the data types. There we go. So we created two maps, map1 and map2. We will look into our first method, put method, to insert data into both of these maps. I will fast forward here a little bit just to save time. So I have inserted values into map1 and map2 and I'm printing them here. So let's go ahead and run it and see how it's printed. So if you see here, each key is assigned to the value. So 1 is assigned to 1, 2 is assigned to 2, 3 is assigned to 3, and so on. Similarly, for the map 2, 7 is assigned to 7, 8 is assigned to 8, 9 is to 9, and 10 is to 10, like we have given here. So the values are stored with a key value relationship. The values are stored with a key value relationship. So this demonstrates the put method. So let's go and see the get method. So I'll go ahead and get the value of key 5 and I will print it out. Map1 dot get of 5. So let's go ahead and run. So it printed value of key 5 is 5. So what happens if the key is not present? So let's see how it prints if the key is not present. So I'm copying this. I'm trying to key value of 25. I'm trying to pass the key as 25, which is not there in any of these maps. See, it returned a null value because there is no key with the key 25, so it returned null value. So it didn't throw an error because HashMap accepts null values. So to avoid these null values, what you can do is you can use the method contains key. Let's see how it works. Contains key of k. So you can check if the key is present in the hash map before trying to retrieve it and avoid these null exceptions. So I'll go ahead. Contains key function returns a boolean value of true or false depending on if the key is present or not. So I'll go ahead and add these two. Is key 5 present? Similarly, I will check if the value 25 is present in map 1. All right, let's go ahead and run. So it said, is key 5 present? It returned true. For key 25, it returned false. So when you're trying to get some value, it's better to check if the key is actually present in the map or not using contains key function. Similarly, there is a contains value function which will check if the value is present or not in the map. So next one I would like to demonstrate is remove method. Remove method takes key as an input and removes that key and corresponding value from the hash map. Let's go ahead and see. So I'll print the map. I'll print map1 before removing it. Oh, anyway, we are printing it here. So I'll go ahead and print once I removed a value. So map1 dot remove of 5. I am removing it and I'll go ahead and print map1 again. So before removing the value 5, so the map looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But after removing the key 5, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So this is how the remove function works. So the next one I want to demonstrate is a clear function which clears the whole map. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm clearing the map and see what it prints once it's cleared. See, it printed an empty hash map because all the values has been cleared. The next common function to use is the size function, which returns basically the size of the map. I'll go ahead and print the size of map 2 since we cleared map 1 earlier. See, it returned the size of the map 2 as 4. If we print a map size of map 1, it would have written 0 because we cleared everything. So these are the common functions that we use regularly in the hash map, and as we see earlier, there are a couple more hash map functions that you can use. So hash map is one of the most important data structures in Java programming language. Generally, when you go to interviews and if they gave you a whiteboard coding, if they give you a whiteboard algorithm to solve, so if you are struggling to find a solution, just try to keep that problem on how to solve with HashMap, and you'll come out with some solution. Maybe not the better solution, but you will definitely come out of with a better solution. HashMap has that capability to perform all those operations. So there is actually a saying that there is no problem that cannot be solved using a HashMap in Java. This is Java HashMap. I hope it helps. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.